Hey, so about 2 years ago, I did a video on an unboxing of an Ooni Pro 3, but I never did any pizza videos of me actually cooking on it. And that's really the reason, was because I found out after I cooked on it once or twice that I hate cooking with pellets. So today we're going to change that. I bought this probably about 8 months ago, actually. It's been a while. I haven't had an opportunity to bring it out because we were going into winter, and then I just haven't had a chance for the summer. So I'm not going to cook with pellets anymore. We're going to cook with gas. So I got the gas burner here, and we're going to unbox it, add it on, and see how it goes. Okay, let's just see what we got. Unbox it here. Out of the way. Alright. Looks like we got the gas box that goes on the back with a US propane connector and some instructions of what to do. Okay, looks like the instructions are pretty straightforward. We're going to take off the door. We're going to essentially take off that back piece on the Ooni 3, the burner. We're going to attach this right in its place, connect this to the gas, and that looks about it. Looks really straightforward, so let's do that. So we're going to go with this, get it undone. Oh well. Yeah, put it aside. This should just fit right in. Maybe if I turn it the correct direction. Just set it in there and tighten the bolts back up. Oh, all right, well, there went the bolt, but that's good. So now that we got it on, I'm gonna get a bottle of propane and hook it up, and we'll crank it up and see how it goes. For video purposes, I'm gonna put the propane tank up here so I can show you hooking it up, but I'm actually gonna have it on the ground cooking. So you just have a nozzle, normal nozzle, and just screw it on. Okay, so to start this thing up, basically you turn this knob. It says push it in, hold it till you get to this little fire thing here on the left hand side, and it says hold it for 5 seconds. So basically we're going to do this. We're going to push it in, we're going to turn it, and then that should have started it. Alright, we're going to push it in, turn it, And now it should be lit. So now we let it warm up and we'll cook some pizza.